At it again with another video. This is I'm gonna add a lip to my 97 Toyota Corolla. I did one side already, and that's how it looks right now. Now you ain't gonna believe me where I got this lip from. I still got work to do on it. See, by the license plate it's a little longer. I haven't done the other side yet. I got it right here. Yeah, it's a little scuffed up and everything, but I'm gonna be repainting the whole car, so I want to sand it down and everything when it's on the car. But this is how I did it. Well, to start off, where I got the lip from, I went to my local junkyard, and this actually came out from a Mercedes. It's longer, but I cut it right there, you can tell. Like I said, I'm gonna fix it up both sides, and there's the Mercedes logo. Focus. All right, so like I showed you guys again, I don't think it looks too bad. I do got wheels for it. I just haven't thrown them on yet because I want to get body kit and lip and everything ready for it. Well, this is how I did it. This lip has little tabs on it, so all I did is put it on there. I'm putting it right on the edges. As you can tell, it got marker marks already, so that's where they're all gonna go. And I was making the gaps with this. This is a plastic welder from Harbor Freight. So I just burned through them. Let me see. I just burned through this all the way across. But let me do it before. I don't want to work with one hand and mess it all up even worse. So I'll get back to you guys.